We're actually very excited to launch the vague symptoms pathway, and this is something that has been particularly championed by pancreatic cancer and Luis Valagino in particular. And it's because there are certain cancers that don't have a particular symptom, yeah? And pancreatic cancer being the main one. As I've spoken about it in the past, my own father was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and unfortunately passed away from pancreatic cancer. And his symptoms were backache, slight jaundice. So what we are trying to do is that we are trying to train GPs to identify what these signs could be in numerous different cancers, so that when you start piecing together the dots, but the symptoms are very vague, extreme weight loss or something like that, that they can piece together and they can start sending people at a very early stage for intervention, for scans, etc.
Do you think you could sort of wake up the hypochondriacs?
I don't think so, because the GPs will know. Everyone is able these days to do a Google search and identify what symptoms could be. And in any event, what we want to try and encourage people to do is come forward if they're feeling unwell, to identify particularly cancers early on, because the earlier that you detect a cancer, the more chance that you have to fight against it.